The truth is, there are real ways to make money online. Millions of people are doing it each day, from freelance digital nomads to savvy marketers to rising entrepreneurs. There are plenty of business ideas you can try at home using your laptop and a solid internet connection. So let's break down how to make money online the real way. So starting off with number one is start dropshipping. In case you don't know what dropshipping is a business model where you can sell a product to a customer, but the supplier stores, packages, and ships the product to your customer on your behalf. The best way to make money online dropshipping, most entrepreneurs have been focusing on a few marketing strategies, running Facebook ads, having influencers promote your products, and sending direct messages to potential customers on social media. If you want to learn more on what dropshipping is, check out my video explaining dropshipping and it'll tell you full details. On to number two, try print on demand. Print on demand is proving to be a popular option too. Graphic designers are turning to the business model to sell their designs on clothing and other products to monetize their art better. With their unique designs, they can create a consistent and established brand for their business. Print on demand is similar to dropshipping in the sense that you don't need to carry, inventory, or ship out products to customers yourself. There are two slight differences though. First, you can add a branded label on packages, and second, shipping costs are excessive, making it difficult to create a sustainable business unless you charge higher prices or sell higher quantities. So, what is the best way to make money with your print on demand business? Your best bet would be to promote your products for free on Instagram, Pinterest, or with Instagram influencers who convert their audiences very well. Next up is make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. Throughout the years, its popularity has gone up and down, but it continues to prove to be a stable way to make money online. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you can be an affiliate for nearly any company, from Shopify to Amazon to Uber to FabFitFun. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a living by promoting other brands. If you're a savvy marketer, you can earn a commission from sales by promoting retail products, software, apps, and more. While earning a commission may seem small, keep in mind that you can be an affiliate for several brands and include several affiliate links on a single blog post. If you really want to make money online doing affiliate marketing, your best bet is to focus on content marketing. By building out a blog with several pages of high quality content, you essentially create an asset you can call your own. The best part about focusing on content marketing is that if an affiliate program shuts down, you can just switch the affiliate link to a competitor without negatively impacting your side hustle income. On to number 4 is start a YouTube channel. If others can make money from YouTube, so can you. The highest paid YouTuber is a 7-year-old, Ryan, who reviews toys on his YouTube channel, which made him $22 million in 2018 alone. Another high earner is Jeffree Star, who's made more than $18 million on YouTube and has a cosmetics brand that sells about $100 million in products annually. His YouTube fame helped him use his influence to make money online beyond his YouTube earnings. Your YouTube channel should focus on a single niche so you can build a strong, loyal audience. For an example, you can create makeup tutorials, stream video games, review products, teach skills, create prank videos, or anything else you can think of that there would be an audience for. The secret to making money on YouTube is create content people want that either educates or entertains. You can use a headline that's witty to entice people to watch, or you can use keywords that are optimized for YouTube search. Once you've reached the 1,000 subscriber milestone, you can officially monetize your channel with YouTube ads. The number 5 way to make money online is become an influencer. Building a personal brand can also help you make money online. Did you know in 2019, Cristiano Ronaldo earned $975,000 for every sponsored Instagram post, making him the highest paid influencer? While it may seem like reality stars, singers, and athletes are the biggest influencers, keep in mind that even smaller scale influencers can make more money today than they did a few years back. To become an influencer, you need to build a healthy following. The easiest platforms to do that are YouTube and Instagram. Some of the biggest non-celebrity influencers often gain their first taste of exposure on these platforms. You might want to check out how to get more Instagram followers if you want to build an Instagram audience. On to number 6 is creating an online course. Sharing knowledge is one of the best ways to make money online. If you're an expert on a subject, you can monetize your knowledge by creating courses. You can sell your course on Udemy, or if you already have your own audience, on your own website. Some entrepreneurs earn as much as $5,000 per month with online courses. To create a popular and successful course, your best bet is to watch other courses on your topic, then look at the reviews. What are the aspects that people praise, and what are the things people hate? How can you create something better than what's already been created? Focusing on creating content that solves the biggest complaints while emulating the positive aspects people rave about. The platform you choose to sell your course on will determine how to best make money. If you sell your course on Udemy, you don't have to do much to promote it. You can almost set it and forget about it. Maybe promote it to some blogs or your own website. However, if the course is hosted on your website, you might want to run ads to promote the course. You can also build an email list so you can continue to promote future courses to that same audience. And at number 7, we have publish an ebook. With Amazon KDP, it's never been easier to publish a book. All you need to do is write the book, format it, create a book cover, and publish and promote it. Back in 2013, I created several ebooks on Amazon. And even though it didn't make me rich, I still made some money from it. You can choose to hire a writer for your ebook, a graphic designer to design the cover, or a freelancer to format the ebook for you to help minimize the work you need to put into it. It's best if you focus on keywords based on popular searches on Amazon. I often use the keyword tool, which allows you to find the words people use while searching so you can craft your title around it. To make money doing this, you can market it in a number of different ways. You can give away your book for free for a few days, and what this does is help you rank high in the search results for some time. It also helps you get reviews, which helps you rank better for paid listings. Plus, I like to create custom graphics on Pinterest that match the Pinterest style rather than just placing the ebook cover as a pin. This helped me get some clicks on my ebook from Pinterest a lot. On to number 8, we have start a blog. Blogging is one of the oldest methods for making money online. People who love writing tend to start blogs without a niche focus. For an example, a blog about procrastination, cars, dropshipping, toys, etc. is often a narrow enough focus so you can build a loyal following, but big enough that you can cover a lot of ground. So you can start blogging on various platforms, from Shopify to WordPress. When you start your blog, focus on a specific keywords with a tight focus and continue to expand into other but relevant categories as you grow and dominate new spaces. What this does is it will allow you to build a massive blog over time. Remember that design is also important for making a good first impression on visitors. But there are several ways to make money blogging. You can add affiliate links in your posts, but don't forget a disclaimer. You can monetize with AdSense by placing ads strategically on your website. Sponsored posts can help you make money from specific brands. This is popular among review bloggers. Bloggers can also sell digital or physical products on their websites. You can also use it to build authority so that you can eventually get speaking gigs, television deals, or big contracts from clients. At 9, consider freelancing. The easiest way to make money online is to take your current job in your 9-to-5 role and do it online instead. For an example, if you're a writer, graphic designer, teacher, or developer, you can market these skills and find clients online who are willing to pay you for them. There's a never-ending list of websites for each sector of freelance jobs too. For an example, freelance writers can apply for jobs on specific online writing job boards, but also general freelance websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and all others. If you find that the job you have doesn't have a direct online money-making streams of income, you can also look at different skills you may have that'll help other people as well. To make money as a freelancer, you need to start by building out a strong portfolio. That may mean doing some free work with other reputable mid-tier brands to start. Once you gain a strong portfolio, you can start reaching out to potential big clients and earn money online that way as well. Remember, freelancing is a numbers game. The more personalized emails and applications you fill out, the more likely you will get a response back. And last but not least is sell your stuff online. When you are desperate to make money now, sometimes that is the only option is to sell your stuff. If you're unemployed or struggling to make money, selling your possessions is a great way to make money fast. But keep in mind the shipping costs associated with selling online, and be sure to charge the buyer appropriately if they buy anything internationally. Most people immediately think of selling their junk like books, DVDs, and CDs, but most people don't want to buy those things. It's 2021. Are you really going to be buying a CD? More than likely not. So don't waste your time trying to sell it. When you're thinking about how to make money fast, focus on items of value like laptops, TVs, phones, furniture, designer handbags, or clothing. But also try selling the same items on multiple platforms. For an example, you might try selling your product in a Facebook group and eBay instead of just one of them. If you sell your stuff everywhere, there's a chance of someone finding it. And always be sure to take amazing photos and edit them. An online retailer doesn't upload images as is. They always hire a photographer to take great photos. Images are enhanced and the background is often removed. Approach your product post like an online retailer would. Avoid taking pictures of products on tables, and if the product is on a table, remove the background and make it white. So once you've figured out stuff to sell online, start your own online store using Shopify. You've proven that you got what it takes to be an online retailer, so now you know what to do to start making money from home. And that's going to do it for this list of the top 10 ways to make money online the real way. I hope you all found this enjoyable and found some knowledge from it. If you did, please consider hitting the like button. And if you want to see more content like this or more make money online content, please consider pressing the subscribe button. I hope you all enjoyed. Goodbye.